Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class. So in last class we discussed about the story a town mouse and the country mouse in unit A. In the same unit A, again here we are going to read the poem. One poem we are going to read today, that is the B reading. So here we have the poem. You can if you have the textbooks, you can open your textbooks and you can follow the class, children. So first we will read the poem, and this is the town child and a country child. So the poet was Erin Thompson. So here you see in this poem the poet wants to describe about the life of the children, means lifestyle of the people in town and countryside. So how the people were living in the town and how the people were living in the village, and how their houses and what they were do every day. So like that their lifestyle will be described here in this poem. So here you see the town child says something. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with traffic and fate. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lamps. So the town child is saying like this: I live in the town in a street. So this boy is living in a town in a street. It is covered, it is crowded with traffic and feet. So that street was completely crowded with more traffic and feet also, means there are more buses, motors and trams also there. So here trams means that is also one of the motor vehicle like our bus only. But the boy wishes to be in meadows and lamps in the street. Actually the town child wants to some meadows, means some green fields. Actually in the figure you can able to see here. So the boy wants some green field and lambs means some sheep, something, some small animals he wants to see. But actually where he is living there is no sheep, there is no any green field, but more traffic is there with more people and some sounds also. The houses all wait in a row. There is smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the noises I hear. I wish there were woods very nearer. So the houses all wait in a row. There is no space at all. Completely the total space will be covered with more houses with tall buildings and etc. There is smoke everywhere that I go. So wherever he is going in the street, wherever that boy is going in the street, everywhere, each and every place will be completely with more smoke because of the more traffic. So I don't like the noises I hear because of the more traffic, the buses and trams, everything. There is more traffic and more noise also. So that boy, he didn't want that noises to hear. He wished there were woods very near. So what he wants to wish there? He wants to wish some woods very near to him. Woods means some green, some tall trees, everything. Next, there is only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. There is plenty of room in the blue for castle of clouds and me too. So there is only one thing. There is only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. So whatever in the town where he was living, in that place he loves only one thing. So what is that? What he loves only one? That is the blue color sky. That is only the blue color sky. There is plenty of room in the blue. So in the blue color sky there is lot of place, lot of empty place is there. So for castles of clouds and me too. So castles of clouds means some big buildings, some big place. For castles of clouds and me too. So he wants a more space. He wants more space, empty space to play or something. So he never likes the town where he is living. Why? Because there is more traffic, more buses and everything. There is more noise. So he doesn't want to live there. always he wants to wish to go to countryside. Why? Because there is more lambs, woodies are there, some lambs are there to play everything. So this is the wish of the town child where he is living. And in the next stanza, the country child, what he wants to say something, see here. So the country child is saying, my home is a house near a wood, my home is house near a wood, the lanes are so quiet, oh dear, I do wish that someone lived in here. So the country child means the boy who is living in a village or a small village. So what he is wishing, you can see here, my home is a house near a wood. So where he is living, the country child is living in a small house which is very nearer to the wood, wood means small, big tree, tall trees. And the lanes are so quiet, the lanes are so quiet means why? Because in the villages there is no more noise, because there is no traffic, buses, everything. So the lanes means streets, the streets were very quiet. So I do wish that someone lived near, I do wish that someone lived near. So what he wants there, because the lanes are very quiet, so the boy wants to be someone to play with him. So that's why he is wishing like that. There is no one to play with at all, there is no one to play with at all. The trees are so high and so tall, and I should be lonely for hours, were not for the birds and for the flowers only. So here the boy is saying that there is no one to play with him, and whatever the trees are there, they are very high and so tall also, and I should be lonely for hours. So more time he was very lonely. Why? Because there is no one to play with him, were it not for the birds and for the flowers only. So I wish that I lived in a town to see all the trams going down a twinkling street that is bright with wonderful colors at night. So this country boy wants to be live in a town, go to a town to see all the trams. Why he wants to be lived in a town? To see all the trams going down. So whatever the trams, buses, everything he wants to see. Why? Because they are always, every time, every day, each and every minute there is some noise is there. There is every day in every street more people were going on, and buses, trams, everything will be going down. And he wants to see the twinkling colors, twinkling lights of the streets also. So a twinkling state that is bright with wonderful colors at night. So even at daytime and nighttime also there is some more colors of lights will be glowing in the streets. So he wants to see all the lights of the street. So that's why he wants to be lived in a town. So this is the poem, children, the town child and the country child. So in this poem the poet wants to tell the wishes of the children, what they want to be, what they want to do something. So how the children will be thinking if they want to do something, if they are living in a town, and the people how they think about their lifestyle, everything. So this is the story, children. So after this poem, here we have some glossary also. You can see, if you have the textbooks, you can follow the glossary here. So here you see, first one, feet. Feet means people who walk in the street. Next, tram. Tram means it is an electric vehicle that transports people in cities also. And meadow. Meadow means a field with grass and often wildflowers also. Meadows means a field with grass and some flowers. Castle means a large strong building. And lane is a narrow road in the countryside or in a town. It is a very narrow road. And twinkling means shining strongly and then weakly. So twinkling means twinkling stars, like that we know. So shining of the stars and everything. So this is the glossary, children. After that, here we have some questions also. These questions will go for the next class. So if you have the textbooks, everybody should try to get the poem. So everybody should read this poem in the textbook. and in the next class we'll go for the questions and C reading also. Thank you.